Hey Tommy, this is Nate. This is the customized video I told you I was going to get over to you. It's going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Nate. Please do this for me. So by the end of this video, you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with. Shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is called content. I'm going to show you your site. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. You guys have about 336 words. The next one I'm going to show you your competition. These guys over here are your competitors. They have about 149 words on their content. Very beatable. Every month, people are searching for keywords such as Yakima showers about 300 times, which you miss out for not being number one. The next area I want to show you is called citations. Moving on to the next visible section, and the second important thing I want to talk to you about, and we call this Google Map Pack or maps on the results. We can see the business name, address, phone number, aka maps. So now you're asking me, hey Nate, how do I rank in maps? I told you I read minds. To answer your question, we go over another resource I use called WhiteSpark. It costs about $30 to $7 a month based on your plans. Well, we can see that your site has about 13 citations and the competition has about 23 citations. Once again, beatable area we can conquer your competition. So these citations, aka maps, are submitted word for word in directories such as Yellow Pages, Whitebook, Yext, CityStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. And we can see that your competition citations are shown here, all laid out to be submitted. The next area that we're going to go over is called backlinks. Now the third thing I want to cover with you is another important aspect to Google. We call your site authority link juice. You can see we search tile contractors and your site is not number one. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to beat out your competition in every aspect. This link juice simply works like site A pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have a relative site linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you because, hey, you don't like slang pizzas for a living. So I'm going to pull up your competition. And here's where we see your competition's link juice, that they have 183 sites working as link juice for them. Again, very beatable. Looking down below, we can see that these guys have these links. Therefore, we can take every single link that they have and go after them for your own site. So once again, I want to go over the things that we went over today. The first thing that we went over is content. Your front page, it needs at least 1,500 words. The second one is citations. You want to have 203 of these to beat out your competition by a landslide. The third area is you need more link juice. You need more relevance pointing at you to show Google that you have authority. And if you implement these strategies, today you can be number one across Google. I'm psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 509-410-4786. Again, 509-410-4786.